Hi, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to display featured product on homepage using WooCommerce Shortcode. But before jump into the main tutorial, if you visit my YouTube channel WP Handy, then you will see already I have published lots of tutorials on WordPress like classified listing website, e-commerce website, Elementor, basic WordPress and much more. So if you want to learn WordPress, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Then let's get started. Very fast, let's check which I'm going to do in this tutorial. You can see this is an e-commerce website. If I scroll down and very fast showing the best selling product, and in this tutorial I want to add or I want to display the featured product here just below this section. Okay, and very fast you have to set up or you have to add a featured product, and you can do it in 3 different ways. And in this tutorial I will show you how you can set up or how you can add featured product, then how you can show it in homepage with WooCommerce Shortcode. So go to the admin dashboard and hover over on products, click over here all products, then all products will show here, and you can see already I have added lots of product. This is the products, and just right side just look at, you can see this is the star icon which color is light. Okay, just check this, it will help to understand how you can set the featured product. Okay, so very fast way is if you edit this product, just click over here and edit it. Then from the right side top you can see catalog visibility, shop and search result. Just you have to click over here edit. Then this is some of the radio button, and one of them are the checkbox. You can see this is the checkbox which is this is a featured product. So I want to set up this product as a featured product. So check this box, then okay, then update it. That means this products will show as a featured product. Okay, then again go to the all products. This is the all products, and if I reload this page, then you will see the star icon color will be changed. Yes, you can see the star icon color has been changed. That means it's set up as a featured product, and if you want to more than one product set up as a featured product in a on time, then you can do it. Just you have to edit the bulk option. Okay, just select this product which you want to set up as a featured product, and 1 2 3 4 5 I have selected this 5 product and I want to edit together. So you have to click this down arrow, bulk action, then the edit and apply. From the right side middle you can see this is the featured. Okay, no changes, you can see visibility, then the featured, just click and yes. Then from the left side click over here update. Yes, and you can see my selected 5 products has been set up as a featured product, and this star icon color has been changed. So another way you can set up or you can set a product as a featured product, then you have to just click this star icon, just click over here, then you will see the color has been changed. Okay, yes, and you can see the color has been changed. That means this product is set up as a featured product. But sometimes you can't see this star icon here, then just scroll up and you can see this is the skin option. You have to click over here, then you have to check this box. Okay, if I uncheck this box, then you can see the star icon has been removed from here. Then again if I check this box, the star icons are showing here. Okay, then go to the website, and in this step I want to show here the featured product with shortcode. That's why edit the page with Elementor. Click over here and edit the page. Just scroll down and I can duplicate this section. That's why I want to add a new section where I want to show the featured product. So duplicate it and scroll down, just scroll down and edit this title, and I can write here featured product. Featured product, you can see the section title has been changed. Then click over here, this the shortcode actually, and you have to write the shortcode for the featured products. Okay, so I can remove it or I can edit it. So I can remove it and write from the very scratch, and if you want you can just copy and paste the shortcode from here. Don't worry, I have given this documentation link in this video description. You can check it from here. just scroll down, then you will get lots of shortcode. You can see this is the featured product shortcode. So if I copy from here, okay, again go to the Elementor editor, just paste here. Okay, you can see featured products are showing here. You can change layout from here, like products limit. I want to show here like 6 product, okay, 6, and I want to change the column, so I want to give here like 3 column. Okay, you can see the column has been changed. So in this way, and I can remove it. This is the below section. Okay, and you can see 6 featured products are showing here. So in this way, you can set up the featured product, and you can show it homepage or any other page with the shortcode. So don't worry, I have given the shortcode link in this video description, and you can check it from here, or just you can write here. Just again I show it, and you can see this is the shortcode products, then the limit 6 column, then the visibility will be featured. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay with me.